Hey, what's up guys? This video is going to be slightly different to the usual content I make about money and investing. In case this is not something that you're interested in, which is sort of a channel update and a request from me, then by all means skip this video and watch something else on YouTube or on my channel. In this video, I'm actually going to be talking about something that I've been thinking about for a really long time, which is me considering possibly shutting down this channel in 2022. I appreciate it's a new year and I'm talking quite negatively, but I need your help with this decision. So in case you want to know more, then keep watching. Hello and welcome. In case you're new here, my name is Arjun and this is the channel where we usually talk about money and investing. So in this video, I am actually not going to be talking anything about money and investing or a topic associated with this. So I have to apologize for that. I also have to apologize for the slightly clickbaity thumbnail and video title. And as a spoiler alert, I'm not actually going to be shutting down this channel anytime soon, but it is a thought that I have had again and again, and I'll tell you why. The reason is that I have been mulling the idea of potentially starting a second YouTube channel. Now, see how I said potentially, and the reason why I said that is because I need your help in deciding if I should start that second YouTube channel. And I'll get into what that second YouTube channel will be, but please bear with me with the context behind this. So I started this YouTube channel in 2020 with the whole idea of being a first generation immigrant who'd moved to the UK and had to go through this whole process of learning different things where information was not centrally available to me. And, over the course of making videos where I was making content about every random thing that I could think of, some videos were doing well, some were not. And I found that there was a common theme in the videos that were doing well, where I was getting comments in the comment section and in the emails that I was receiving from people and in the personal messages that I've received from people on Instagram, is that there's been a bit of a request around, okay, can you give me some advice on career? What kind of jobs should I be looking at? How do I write my CV? How do I negotiate my pay? And this has really got me thinking, and I've been thinking about this for a really long time, which is maybe starting a second channel about career coaching and career advice, maybe potentially in the UK, otherwise generally, I don't know, right? But the whole reason why I think I could add value by making content about this would be, as a first generation immigrant, having worked as a management consultant for 10 years with different clients across multiple industries, and as a professional in the financial services industry in the UK, I definitely think I have the right skills to be able to give you advice based on my own experience. I'm not a career coach, but at least I can share my experiences. And I think that would be valuable if people want to watch it. So this is where I need your help, right? I need your help to tell me if you would like that content. I actually have the the YouTube channel all set up. I'll add a link of it there. I even have the content written out for some of the videos that I want to make. It's just that starting a second YouTube channel is going to be a lot of burden on my time. Especially with running this channel as well and family commitments and a full-time job. So this is where I need to know whether the time effort is worth it, because there's a cross-section of the people that subscribe to some of my earlier videos and the channel as such, where they've not been serviced with some of the content I've made about finance and investing, but they are interested about jobs and careers in the UK. So if you think that I could add value by making the second channel and content on this channel about career and advice around that, then please comment in the section below and tell me if you think, just say yes, you think that this might add value, or you can just subscribe to the channel that I've linked there, but it doesn't have any content. If after a week I see that there is a significant interest in it, then by all means I will make the content. I just have to really work on being efficient with my time. Look, that's all I wanted to cover in this video. I know it's a bit of a different video. I'm trying to keep it as short, and I really apologize for misleading you, if anything, with the YouTube thumbnail and title. but I would really appreciate your help. Anyway, Happy New Year in 2022. And thank you for staying with me if you did up until this point. And I will see you on the other side. Thank you very much. Goodbye.